Hi guys, it's me again here in this condenser unit of huge walk-in cooler. You can see semi-hermetic compressor. We replaced oil switch. Oil switch has two ports. One port goes to the oil pump, a second port going to the crankcase of the compressor. And we did the service of the oil, so here was the job. And here, this is the condenser. I will show you all around. We also cleaned condenser coils. You can see how it's clean now. He has another one unit next to it, which has been fixed before, but it was a different problem. So let me see it from here. Let me show you from here. That's the whole unit. Semi-hermetic compressor. I think it's 3-ton compressor. Look how big is the motor, how it is spinning. And that's what we did. Brand new oil switch. Here is the old switch. Now we probably took it away. So that was the job was done. Thank you for watching.